Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to factory reset data without password of your iPhone. So guys, if you have forget your iPhone password or Apple ID password and you want to reset your iPhone, then I'll help you how to reset. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings, and guys, after this you need to click on your Apple ID, and first of all you need to click it, and after this you need to click on sign out, and guys, after this you need to click on forget password, and after forgetting password when you click it, so wait for a few seconds, and guys, after this here you need to put passcode of your iPhone, and after writing your passcode, then you will be able to change the Apple ID password, and guys, after writing your new password, then you need to sign out your Apple ID first of all with your new password, and after signing out you need to go back, and the second option is you need to open your settings, and after this guys, you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, and guys, after this here is the option of first one option is reset, you need to click here, and guys, after this you need to click on reset all settings, and guys, after doing reset you need to go back, and after this here is the option of erase all content, and guys, after doing this you need to click on continue, and after doing continue your iPhone will be totally reset without Apple ID password. So guys, by doing this method you will be able to reset your iPhone without Apple ID password. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.